And how are you related to Mr. Sharma? I'm his business partner, Mr. Gupta. I'm Mr. Shinde, the caterer, sir. I'm Mrs. Swami, the legal advisor and friend to the late Mr. Sharma. Where were you when the murder happened? I was in the ladies' room at the time when I heard the commotion outside. Well, I was with my wife having drinks at the balcony. I was serving drinks to Mr. Gupta and Mrs. Swami in the chess room, sir. Do you have an alibi? No, I don't have an alibi. I like to use the ladies' room, well, privately. Of course, we keep a record, sir. When was the last time you saw Mr. Sharma at the party? I was on the floor during the party. Yes, managing the floor, sir. That's when I saw Mr. Sharma last. Sharma wanted to talk to me about something, he said on the call, but said he'll talk to me at the party. And do you have any suspect? Mr. Sharma was expecting a hostile takeover of his business. It could be one of his rivals. Or even his own. I think you should look at Mrs. Swami closely.